A lot of these cash card games don't actually pay you directly. They use reward systems like points, tickets, or tournaments, and you only cash out after hitting a minimum threshold, usually through PayPal, gift cards, or bank transfer, depending on the app. By the end of this, you'll know which 5-card games actually have real payout systems, how they pay you, and what to watch out for so you don't waste time on fake reward apps. First, skills-based card games like Solitaire Cube and 21 Cash. These apps run real money tournaments where you pay an entry fee and compete against other players. Winnings are paid out through PayPal or Apple Pay cash-out options, depending on your region. The key detail is skill matters more than luck, so beginners usually lose money before they learn the patterns. Next, WorldWinner. This platform hosts card games like Hearts and Spades in head-to-head or tournament formats. You deposit money to enter games, and payouts go back to your account balance when you win. It feels simple, but the competition is often experienced players, so starting small is the safest move. Third, Cash Giraffe-style reward platforms that include card minigames. These don't pay for winning directly, but for playtime and completing offers. You earn points while playing, then convert them into PayPal cash or gift cards once you hit the withdrawal limit. Fourth, Solitaire Cash. This is one of the most popular real money solitaire apps with ranked tournaments. Players compete for prize pools, and cash-outs are typically handled through PayPal once you meet the minimum withdrawal amount set inside the app. Fifth, Blackout Bingo and similar hybrid card bingo games. These combine card-style mechanics with bingo boards and reward you based on performance in timed matches. Payouts are usually routed through PayPal or reward wallets inside the app. Here's what matters across all of them. None of these apps are stable income sources. They work more like paid entertainment where skilled players sometimes profit, but most users break even or lose small entry fees. So the smart way to use them is simple. Start with free practice modes if available. Avoid large entry fees early, and test withdrawals with the smallest cash-out option first. To sum it up, real cash card games exist, skills and tournament apps are the main model, and payout always depends on performance and thresholds. If you want more legit apps that actually pay without wasting time, subscribe for more breakdowns like this.